Never a question of keeping it sealed. We just open these packs, which I still struggle with every time. You gotta appreciate the durability of these packs. They're all over the floor. See. Oh, geez. All right. Gathered them up. We got podcast knowledge. We got the new motorcycle. The new girlfriend. Mountains of debt. Trapped gas. The mother-in-law. Reheated takeout. Child support. And another map piece. It's the house. It's the closest I've ever got to pulling the house. Get a picture of it. Thank you for checking this out, and I'll see you next time.